Hey yo bro, I'm gonna show you my setup, what I use to electrolyze. Mostly I do it for iron or for like you have stuck silver coins or from a dumpster, then they have a very hard black crust to remove it. I have another small silver hemi, it's bathing in soda. It's a little bit less aggressive, especially for those very thin hammers. What do I use? Not that, that's my evening beer, Duvel. Baking soda is the least aggressive form because you have to make an electrolyte. I do it in this glass. It's important, it's glass. You make an electrolyte with water or with real salt, that's more aggressive, or with baking soda, that's less aggressive. What do I use? I use an old cell phone AC-DC adapter, not a rock group, but to transform alternating current to direct current. It's a 12 volt, this one. 12 volt is okay. The more volts or milliamperes, of course, the more aggressive it's gonna be. Now, warning, we plug it in when everything is set, okay? Because now I'm gonna show you how to set it up. But okay, first we're gonna do our salt in the glass. I'm gonna use baking soda because I never tried an aluminium pendant that I've just found on the field, and I think it's gonna be a little bit aggressive for aluminium. So we don't stick it in. I already wanted to do it. The black, we stick our find in. I use a spring, but you can use from alligator clamps, they call it, but I don't have them. The other side is the positive. Kun je eigenlijk geen Nederlands? Wacht hè. The positive side has the tendency to corrode away, so every time you have to strip it down a bit, and then I wrap it around this spool. Voilà. A little bit more. And then I wrap it around this spoon. So this is the plus side. We hang both into the solution, but not touching each other. That's it. That's a very important but, because else you shortcut the electrical current, and then then you will see all the lights will drop down. So I put my find in it and see there's not yet water in. I do that. And there I put a wasknijper, I don't know what it's called. And now I do a bit water left over from the water cooker, but it's not hot. We do that. Then it mixes with the salt solution, like this. And now we can maybe check again if they don't touch. Nope, they don't touch. And now you can put it into an electrical outlet. And begint al gelijk. Be safe. Although it's 12 volt, there's not much that can go wrong, but I guess if you put your finger between it, you will feel it. Okay, I hope you found this a little bit helpful. Oh, don't look at my dishes. There you have the electrolysis in action. And for other viewers, I think Bondi Treasure is already a sub of mine. And if you're not subbed at his channel, check it out. But if you subscribe before 1 May, you make a chance on the... This spade is gonna be in the draw. It's my previous spade. See, and this is my new one. The beast. Okay, brew Bondi Treasure, so check him out, Bondi Treasure, on Instagram, YouTube, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and you have a chance to win that spade. So